Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. A question was asked to Jesus. How long are you going to keep us in suspense? Hanggang kailan mo kami pag-aalinlanganin? While it may be true that the Lord is full of suspense on our end, lalo na po kung may kailangan tayo o kung may nais tayo, He hid nothing to us. Openly and truthfully, He loves us. Honestly, He has spoken to us right ways for right living. Generously, He has given Himself. Wala namang itinago o ginawang kaalinlangan-alinlangan ang Diyos para sa bawat isa sa atin. But why with that question? Why a suspense? We might readily find the answer. There is suspense because there is distance. Jesus said the following words to them, "The works that I do in my Father's name testify to me, but you do not believe because you are not among my sheep." Their hearts, their attention, their life was far and out from the Lord. Malayo pala, kaya may alinlangan. You do not stray or we do not stray off when there is a suspense. Kinakailangang tumutok para hindi huli sa balita. Tutok tayo sa bilangan ng balota. Tutok tayo ng mga nakaraang araw sa conclave. Tutok tayo sa mga series na sinusundan natin. Tutok tayo sa kwento ng bawat isa. We do not stray or keep distance when in suspense. When in suspense, we grow in intimacy and closeness. Para umalab yung gusto, lumapit ng lumapit, matuto ng matuto. Today, as I've said, we remember the first apparition of Our Lady to the three seers, Jacinta, Francesco, and Lucia. Every month, we're pure suspense rather, for this three, on what would the Blessed Mother would teach them. But what made it fruitful? They were never distant to the suspense. They remained close to the message. They remained intimate. Kahit nung sila ay ikinulong at tila inihiwalay, Mary remained close and intimate to these children. In the growing and interesting messages of the Lord through this apparition, distance was not a problem. Intimacy was a grace. We do not stay off or stray off when there is a suspense. Para umalab yung gusto, lumapit ng lumapit, matuto ng matuto. It is suspense if we wish meaning, grace, and the will of the Lord to unfold in our life. And as the suspense grows evermore, distance is not an option to do. Be close to God and let God give you the way, the blessings, and the happiness you long for.